All right, so we're back with part 2. So we did a lot of progress. I did do a lot off camera. As you guys can see, it's on all 3 wheels. Plastics are kind of installed. Brand new can of tires. All the frame decals are installed as well. I'm gonna go over the bike in a few minutes, but I'm just prepping the engine out. I'm gonna go put that in the freezer. It's a bit easier to install. So those are actually TRX 250R 1989 main bearing. So they got 8 ball bearing instead of 7. It's a little upgrade, you know. So I gotta clean everything out. Always use a OEM head gasket on any machine when you can. So see, they provide one, but I'm not gonna use that one. I'm gonna use an OEM one. I'm gonna clean everything. I'm gonna take a look at the clutch. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna change it, but I'm just gonna clean everything I can. So yeah. So all right. We basically got a full roller. So I had a little issue with the rear shock. I had to get a rebuild. So it's fully rebuilt. So I got everything zinced. Look good. Airbox is fully assembled. All the decals are on the frame like I was saying. Exhaust hanger, basically brand new. OEM headlight. So those are actually TPO plastic. They do match pretty well. I really don't like those Mayors. Actually, I got a set on my TRX. I really don't like the fitment at all. So those are actually TPO. I got OEM side cover. They're still available at the dealer. Get them while you can. OEM headlight, aftermarket front and rear fenders. Those are no biggie. OEM fender, OEM gas tank, which was polished. See, I got everything zinced. I still need to shine and wipe everything down. It's a bit dusty. It's been laying in the shop for quite a while now. So rear master reservoir is installed, brand new. Skid plate is installed. But yeah, Kenda in the front, Kenda in the rear. It's gonna be a sweet little track, that's for sure. But anyway, I'm gonna do a bit of work and I'll get back to you guys shortly. Okay, so I got all the oil seal installed. So I'm about to install those main bearing. Shouldn't be too hard. They always go in. Anyway, I should be back later. All right, so engine is almost complete assembled. I'm just about to put the top end on. Yeah, good looking engine. So anyway, I'm gonna get the top end on and I'm gonna slap the engine in the track right after. All right, so engine is in. Damn, that thing look good. Oh yeah. Still need to install the brake, carburetor, front brakes. It's almost done. We do a spark. I just tested. Everything is just clean. more than clean. Everything's freaking brand new. Like I said, it's almost time for a startup. Almost time for a startup. I still need to put the heat shield, that little plate that go on the bottom. So you need to do a couple things, but it's mostly there. Anyway, I'll be back shortly. Alright, so I just received my last order. Well, I'm still missing one part. Sadly, I noticed yesterday I was missing that part. I'm missing a little bracket that goes here. There's a little bracket that goes from here. I just ordered it on freaking eBay. Freaking brackets about that big. 127 bucks Canadian, which is ridiculous. Those freaking trike cost so much money to build. Well, even those TRX cost a lot of money. I'm not gonna lie, Banshees are expensive too, but fuck, 250Rs are more expensive because parts are harder to get, eh? So what I got here, that's for the gas cap, the vent. Got some bolts. I think those are for air. Nope, those are not for air. Got a little lever. Mine was a bit crusty, so I got a new one. Got a bunch of miscellaneous parts. Those are like the washer / spacer for the radiator grill. You go right there. What else? Little C-clip, O-ring, bolt. That's also the crankcase vent. O-ring for the oil dipstick. Well, it's not a dipstick on this, but the oil cap. A bunch of little miscellaneous parts. Like I said, it's almost ready. Almost. So I'm gonna do a bit of work and I get back to you guys shortly, like usually, you know. It's mostly complete. I still need to do the brake. And that's about it. Install those little pieces there. But yeah, I get back to you guys shortly. Alright, so I'm just about done with the front caliper. I just rebuilt it. So I'm almost done with the trike. So I already did the rear brake. Just about to do the front one. So we're getting there. I'm still missing that little bracket that goes here. I ordered it on eBay, 137 bucks, which is kind of expensive, but it's gotta have it. OEM look. Oh yeah, look real good. So I'm gonna get that front caliper done. Still need to put the bleeding screw, the cap. Oh, I still need to order those 2 caps. I just realized I don't have them. Well, yeah, I'm gonna get that shit done and get back to you guys later. Alright. Was pretty easy to install. You actually gotta pop that rotor off so you can slide the caliper on. Pull the caliper on. 12mm nut. That's about it. So you put your line, the bracket that I'm missing, the 2 cap. Yeah, it's getting along there. We're getting there. Sorry, we're getting there. Okay, front breaker blade. I actually just received those 2 little cap. Right there, I'm going to install that. Little vent cap. Well, the cap for the caliper and that's for the crankcase vent. The little cap. So, front breaker blade too. Perfect. The only thing I'm missing now is that little bracket. I should get it by Monday or so. So it's getting done. We're almost done. Look great. So I'm gonna get those things installed and I'll get back to you guys shortly. Here we go. Both cap are installed. Crankcase vent cap is installed as well. Yeah, not missing much. Oh yeah, I'm missing a tail light bulb. There's no tail light bulb in it, so I gotta go buy one tomorrow. Oh yeah. Alright, so last little piece just came in. The little bracket for the front brake line. Bike is basically done. I will go and make a walk around video, show everything that's got done. With that little bracket that go there. I'm gonna get that thing installed. And I guess I'm gonna end the video here. So I'm gonna do a full walk around, describe the bike. Give me a few minutes. Alright, last part is on. You know, it's all about that little details. So I wait about 2 weeks for that little bracket. But he needed it. So anyway, I'm gonna get that thing cleaned up. I'm gonna put that thing outside. And I'm gonna do a walk around, a start up. I'm gonna show every little knick-knack I did on the bike. Describe it. It came out great. Anyway, talk to you guys later.